how to transfer crypto from Robinhood to Binance. So basically what you're gonna have to do is simply open Robinhood and then go to the cryptos detail page. So let's say you want to transfer Bitcoin. So you're gonna have to simply tap on Bitcoin on Robinhood and then select send. Enter the amount you'd like to send of Bitcoin and then paste the crypto address of the receiving wallet and then select review and submit. Now, if you want to get the crypto address of your Binance account, you're gonna have to simply go to Binance, and after you log in, you're gonna have to simply go to Bitcoin and then you're gonna have to simply click on receive, and then you're gonna have your own address of Bitcoin on your Binance account. So that address you're gonna have to paste in Robinhood. So that's all for today's video. Thanks for watching.